Are you looking for how to make that simple, easy pastry or anything that look like biscuit or like your meat pie without filling? Oh my goodness, let me introduce this to you. We are making scones in today's video. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Please do not make it the last time of visiting because you will love it here. Okay, to start with this, I have with me here my yogurt. So I'm using plain yogurt that I made at home. I'll be sharing the recipe with you very soon. So with this plain yogurt, I am just going to add some sugar to it. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful that you've been watching my video from day one. I am so grateful. Now I've added my vanilla. I'll go ahead and then give this a stir or a mix. I have just 4% battery. But don't worry, we will make it. Now after mixing it, this is what I have. Okay, I've set that aside. Now I have my flour here. That is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour. I'll go ahead and then add my nutmeg. That is half teaspoon of nutmeg. Give that a mix and then we are good to go. So with the yogurt and then the sugar we mixed earlier, I added 1 egg to that. Okay, so sorry I couldn't capture that. Now I will then go ahead and add my baking powder, half of that. Okay, give it a mix and then we can continue. So that should be half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now I've added my butter. Okay, that is one stick of butter plus half. Okay, so that should be half cup plus quarter cup of butter or margarine. So now I'm just going to mix it very well, just like how we are preparing just like how we prepare meat pie. Okay, yes, but for me, my meat pie, I do not add baking powder. Yes, mix it very well so it becomes uniform and then we can proceed. I don't think my battery can continue with the work, so I'll pause and then charge my phone some more before we continue. Content creating, it's not easy. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The phone went off, so I thought the voice recording would even save, but it saved. Okay, so now we are just going to mix it very well like I said earlier, and then we can proceed. I have been editing video, uploading on all social media platforms since 9 a.m. and it's 1 o'clock p.m. I am still not done. Hey, it's not easy. That's just by the way. So now we are done mixing and you can see that it is just like you preparing meat pie. Okay, but this we are going to add sugar. I realized that the bowl wasn't big enough for me, so I changed or I poured it in another one. If you've watched me to this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me, share the videos to others, and then watch our other videos. Please follow us on other social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you for doing that for me. I will then add the liquid ingredients that we mixed earlier. Yes, I will add it to it. So I wasn't able to use all. Okay, it was too much. That is why I did not give you the quantity of the yogurt. But if you care to know, it was 1 cup. It was half cup, but I did not use all. At this moment, we will go ahead and mix everything to become a dough like, and then we can proceed. Thank you so much once again, my returning subscribers, and if you are new here, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and then I'll be very happy to see your comment in the comment section, and also let me know how you prepare yours and I will also learn from you. Trust me, I learned it tastes very good. Okay, I did this about 6 days ago and no one has tasted some except my husband. because I told them I've not done my thumbnail. Me, if I'm not done with my thumbnail, you can't touch my food though. Dine with Sianoke will testify to this. Okay, yes, if I'm not done, you can't touch the food. So I have a lot of pastries. I did a lot of bread. So I told them this one I'm not done, no one should touch it. But my husband wasn't around. He tasted it and he was like, hey Aram, this thing you did is very nice. And I was like, is it the one on the table, the dining table? He said yes. I told him I'm not done with the video. So I'm sorry. Yeah, so it is good and I'm yet to taste it. Trust me, as for the flavor, oh my goodness, it was smelling very good because of cinnamon I added. Now I have it on my working surface. I've used my rolling pin to roll it, just like we are preparing meat pie. I am just going to divide it into two. You can just go ahead and then mix your cinnamon, okay, add it to it and then mix it, but I just decided to rub it on it, okay. Yes, because it didn't occur to me to add the cinnamon. It didn't occur to me early. So it was right now that it occurred to me and I decided to add it to it. You can as well mix it with some butter and then paste it on it, but I just don't want it to be, the butter to be very like to be a lot. I don't want a lot of butter in it. That is why I did not do that, okay. Yes, now use your rolling pin and then make it well before we proceed. If you have biscuit cutter, you can just use it to cut it, but I'm just going to use what I have, okay. Not that I don't have biscuit cutter, but this is what I want to use, okay. So use anything. I just don't want to use the biscuit cutter so that you will say I don't have it, how do I do it? So use anything that you have at home to do this, okay. So now we are done with everything. Let's proceed by cutting it and then we can continue. As I talk to you, I have preheated my oven at 350 Fahrenheit and I preheated it for 10 minutes. Yes, so this is what we have. We will continue just like that till we are done with everything. And I have my baking pan ready. I have some baking sheet in there and I'm going to arrange all the biscuits or the scones on the baking sheet, okay. Thank you so much. I will taste it and then give you feedback, okay. If I prepare something and then my little girl and then my husband, they tell me it is good, I trust them, okay. It is only one person that I don't trust, a family friend of ours. Even if it is not nice, he say it's nice. That's just by the way. Now that is my egg and I will just use it to rub the top and then we will go and bake it. So we bake this for about 20 minutes, almost 20 minutes, and it is ready. Just look at that, absolutely delicious, and I really loved it, okay. Yes, I mean the flavor, but I have not tasted yet. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, always remember I am so grateful that you have been watching my video, and please do not forget to share to others. Just look at how soft it looks and very flaky as well. That was about 6 days later. See you in the next one. Bye.